In today's episode, I'm going to show you my favorite chili recipe. I use 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder. Any kind will do. A can of red kidney beans. This one is 540 mils. 540 ml can of black beans. 398 milliliter can of the Heinz beans maple syrup. You can use any beans that you like as well. And a 796 milliliter can of diced tomatoes. Also, straight into the pan, I put about 1 pound of ground beef. Start cooking the beef on medium-high, and then add the chili powder. Mix. Add a splash of water. If you like this episode so far, please take a second to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification, and share with a friend. The meat with the chili spices has now been cooking for about 20 minutes. You can see now it's nice and brown, which means the meat is done cooking. And now we're going to add the rest of the other ingredients. I rinsed the black beans already. Add the black beans. I also drained the red kidney beans. Mix a little bit. Scoop the meat from the bottom and mix a little bit. Add the can of Heinz beans without draining. Add the diced tomatoes with the juice. Keep mixing. We're gonna let it simmer for half an hour, and then we'll check to see if the beans are done. I'm gonna add a few drops of hot sauce. Mix it, let it simmer for 30 minutes, and voila, a delicious bowl of chili. Just add a bit of shredded cheese for added flavor.